Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and lights in Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang yung quick energy check-in, 8-minute reading, para ito sa lahat ng Gemini. At, so ang gagawin ko ay bubunot na ako ng dalawang cards for the recent past, and then dalawang cards for the near future. Interpret natin siya, and then alamin natin ano yung current energy, present moment that was affected by the recent past and what may affect the and the near future. Okay? Ayan, so gusto magpasalamat sa lahat ng Gemini na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sana patuloy niyo suportahan by liking this video and commenting below. And sa mga bago, subscribe na po kayo para updated din kayo sa mga love readings na ipopost ko pa. Okay? So, well, let's begin. Alright. Tapos bubundutin pala tayo ng isang oracle card dito for the advice from the universe. So, I'll get the 6th card. There dyan pa rin naman ngayon. First card, Knight of Cups. And 3 of Cups. Okay. That's the recent past, and the near future would be, 2 of Cups. Oh, yun lang. May 8 of Swords. So, hey. Alright, so in the recent past, nag-move forward yung relationship. There's a lot of affection, love, and may mga adjustments din na nangyari. Pero dahil sa support and proper collaboration between you and your person, the relationship went well. Okay? Actually, mas nag-move forward din kayo sa relationship. Kung before it was a dating period, so nag-decide kayo to be in a committed relationship, and then if nasa relationship na kayo, mas nag-level up kayo into a maybe an engagement or a wedding. Okay? Pero nakikita ko dito is yung growth ng relationship is moving forward and continuously nagle-level up kayong dalawa as individuals and as a couple. And here, there's a lot of collaboration and also celebration dahil nga, di ba, syempre, nag-level up kayo yung relationship nyo, nag-level up and nag-move to the next phase. So, of course, happy kayo together. Happy kayo na na-reach nyo yung next chapter ng inyong relationship, di ba? So, and in the near future naman, sa near future, there's so much love. The connection is still there. Mas nakikita nyo pa nga na love ninyo ang isa't isa. However, okay, merong issues na lalabas dahil merong mga triggers na ma-on. Okay, may yung mga switches ng triggers ninyo, ma-on siya. However, that trigger is, feeling ko, kailangan nyo siyang i-work out kasi near future pa naman siya. So with this awareness, mas kaya nyo pa siyang i-work out kasi tingnan nyo rin, dahil mahal nyo naman na isa't isa with the 2 of Cups here. Pero syempre, as someone na may mga triggers, so careful lang kasi allow that love na mangibabaw over the triggers. Okay? So tingnan natin ano yung current energy ba? Bakit nandito yung recent past energy and near future energy. So, first card, tumalon siya. Okay, Hangman. Okay. Oh, okay. And Queen of Coins. So, takpan ko siya. Ayan. Pero this is Queen of Coins kasi the Queen is naked. So, um, there's so much love. Mahal niyo yung isa't isa. Okay? Pero, kaya siguro yung near future ninyo is pinakita din talaga yung energy of Two of Cups na love nyo isa't isa pero may mga triggers pa rin in the near future. Kasi alam nyo na, with the Hangman here, alam nyo na yung mga triggers ninyo din. Siguro na-discover nyo rin siya in the recent past, diba? Pero, parang wala kayong ginawa or wala kayong ginagawa kasi present energy to. Wala kayong ginagawa at the moment to work on it. Kaya na madadala nyo siya sa near future. Okay, so what you have to do is really work on your triggers. Okay? Kasi kung may nasabing yung partner ninyo na ganito na hindi nyo gusto tapos magsisimula na yun ng conflict when in fact parang sinasabi lang siya as a constructive criticism. Okay? Something that you have to work on para mas mag-grow pa yung relationship pero sa'yo parang you feel attacked. Okay, so yung mga ganong kind of triggers na, pero aware ka na may ganong triggers pero you're not working on it and roles can be reversed. Same goes to the other party. Pero mahal nyo isa't isa with the Queen of Coins here, you're fully invested in sa relationship and I can see here naman din that the relationship will move forward din talaga, magko-continue naman siya. May mga kailangan na kayong ayusin. Okay? And yung mga kailangan nyo ayusin ay yung triggers ninyo. So, tingnan natin yung advice from the universe. So, anong kailangan gawin? Okay, strength. Tama. So, have the lakasan yung loob nyo na face that triggers. Okay, once na hinarap ninyo yung mga triggers ninyo, you can work on yourself. Same with your partner. And pag naayos nyo na nga yun, this energy of the Eight of Swords, pwede siyang mawala. Okay, and mag-continue na lang as Two of Cups energy all throughout. Okay? So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to sa inyo. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mr. Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Kita-kits! Ingat sa inyong lahat!